Hi guys, in this video we will see how to uninstall Copilot feature on your Windows 11 system. If you don't want to keep Copilot on your system, then you can easily uninstall it. Here are the process. Right click on start button and choose settings. In settings, from the left side choose apps. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option installed apps. Click on installed apps. Here either you can search through search field, otherwise just scroll down and go to C alphabet and choose Copilot. Now click on three horizontal dot against Copilot app and here you will find the option uninstall. Simply uninstall, click on it and your Copilot app will successfully uninstalled. So you can easily uninstall Copilot app from your Windows 11 settings. Another feature also available. If you want to reset or terminate or uninstall, here uninstall feature also available.